Hello, Caveman UK here. Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you all had a safe and a happy Christmas. Look after each other. I've got myself a puncher and a tubeless tyre. This is the way I'm going to do it. You do it the way you want to do it. I've never done it before. I'm just going to try it because I've got no spare. This is my 5th tyre. Right, I've got this tool what's supposed to make a hole in it. There's a hole in it already to roughen the edges up so you can get the plug in. I'm just screwing it in. I'm just going to push it in and out, if it will. I'll have to screw it in again. Oh, that seems to be the size I want. I don't know. Never done it before, so. Get one of these little brown bits and stick it in the needle, as far as I know. What I've read the instructions. Hey, this is fiddly. There's a needle here. Looks like you put a brown bit inside it. That doesn't seem to want to work. Must be the bigger needle, I don't know. Looks like I'm going to have to cut it. There's a little knife supplied. Just going to bevel it a bit. Right, I've got it on the needle now. I'm just going to swap one needle for another now. Seems to be a smaller one and a bigger one. Too tight. Just use an Allen key. I've got that in the centre. There's a hole there. I'm just going to stick it in all the way. Handle's come off. Right, I've got it in. Right, I'm just gonna cut that off and put everything away, and I hope that'll do. I'll just have to go to air compress and put some air in it, and the way it is. Right, goodbye, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe, please. Thank you, bye.